unlocking the mystery of to be at a tangent. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, to be at a tangent. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. This phrase can add flair to your conversations and writing, so let's explore its meaning together. To be at a tangent is a fascinating expression that originates from mathematics. In geometry, a tangent is a line that touches a curve at only one point, without crossing it. When someone says they're going off at a tangent, or speaking at a tangent, they mean that their thoughts or actions are straying away from the main topic or path. It implies a sudden shift in direction or focus. To better understand to be at a tangent, let's look at some examples. During a meeting, if someone starts discussing unrelated topics, you might say, "We're going off at a tangent. Let's get back to the agenda." If a friend starts talking about something completely different from your conversation, you might observe, "You're really going at a tangent now, aren't we?" These examples show how the phrase can be used to highlight a deviation from the original topic or path. While "to be at a tangent" is not the most common phrase, it's useful for describing digressions in conversation or thought. Here are some tips for using it correctly. Use it when someone changes the subject abruptly. It's often used in a slightly critical way to draw attention back to the main point. Combine it with humor to lighten the mood when pointing out the digression. There are variations of this phrase, such as going off on a tangent or on a tangent, which are more commonly used. These carry the same meaning and can be used interchangeably. Understanding these variations will help you recognize and use the phrase more naturally in conversations. To be at a tangent is a unique and expressive way to describe moments when conversations or actions veer off course. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and how you can use it in your English conversations and writings. Remember, learning phrases like this can really enrich your language skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.